Hey lads, TechScanning here. So, a few days ago, Oppo's upcoming foldable phone, the Find N5, has made headlines as it was showcased to be the world's slimmest foldable phone, weighing just around 4.2mm. However, now we got some more exciting news from Oppo. So, the Oppo's official handle just announced this thinnest foldable phone will be arriving in 2 weeks. But the surprising part, as per the Oppo's product manager, the folding phone will also debut in the global market and it will be sold simultaneously in both the Chinese and the global market. This means global customers don't have to wait for the Chinese launch like mostly the case with the Chinese smartphones. So by 2 weeks, we can carefully say the launch event will happen sometime between 19 to 21 March. Anyway, the launch event is almost here as the brand has already started receiving pre-orders. Now, while Oppo has shared some careful glimpses of the Find N5, however, now we have received plenty of official looking leaked renders giving us the best look at the handset even before the launch date. So as per the renders, the Find N5 will come in at least 3 different colors: white, black and an elegant looking purple vegan leather option. So looking at the Find N5, it has a similar looking body and a frame to the Find N3, however now in a noticeably slimmer package. Further, the Find N5 has retained a circular camera island, though its outer ring is now slightly tweaked, somewhat similar to the Honor Magic 7 series, which is in my opinion giving it a more premium look. When unfolded, there is a bigger than its predecessor, a 8 inches AMOLED display and a punch hole style selfie snapper on the top right. However, there is a huge improvement on the outer display. So for example, if we look at the Google Pixel 9 Pro Fold, it not only has thicker bezels but also a noticeable framing on the left of the outer display. However, as we can see, the framing on the Find N5 is a lot thinner, which is giving it nice aesthetics. So overall, I think it wouldn't be wrong to say they pretty nailed the design. So what are your thoughts on the design language of the Oppo Find N5? Share your thoughts below in the comment section. Anyway, the Find N5 is likely to go global as OnePlus Open 2, and we will not be surprised if it comes with a slightly different camera island, which may be more aligned with the OnePlus 30. For the major specs, the Find N5 will feature a Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset coupled with 16 gigs of RAM, a 5600 mAh of battery with 80 watt wire charging speed, and an IPX6, 8 and 9 rating. While for the 3 rear cameras, there will be a trio of 50 megapixel sensors including a periscope telephoto. Anyway, we most likely will get some more details or real life hands-on even before the launch. Of course, I will keep you updated, so be sure to subscribe and hit the bell button. And I will see you in the next video. Until then, take care.